Assalamu alaikum, Rakun family. I'm sharing with you a list of nationalities which are required to have a police clearance even if they have been in UAE on employment visa before. Whether you are changing your job or whether you are renewing your contract, you'll be required to have a police clearance if you belong to one of these nationalities. And 20th July, more nationalities are being added. Afghanistan, Algeria, Bhutan, Bulgaria, Cameroon, Cuba, Egypt, Iraq, Kenya, Mexico, Nepal, Nigeria, Sri Lanka, and Uganda. These people are required to have a police clearance even if you are inside UAE on cancellation and you're looking for a new job or new permit. But on 20th, the new countries that will be added in this will be Ghana, Lebanon, Lithuania, Morocco, Mozambique, Pakistan, Senegal, Syria, Tonga, and Zambia. So from 20th July, you guys also will be added. So make sure that when you are applying for a new visa, you need to have a police clearance from inside UAE. It can be from Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, Dubai, it doesn't matter. Wherever you are staying, you can apply from the nearest police station over there, or you can go to any typing center. They can type that application for you. Top of that, after getting the police clearance, you might also need to get it attested from MOFA, Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Please share this video with all of your friends. That's it. See you in the next video. Till then, much love, peace. And as always say, God bless Africa. Assalamu alaikum.